Namaste. Welcome to Monastic online class. I'm Ramesh. I'm going to teach you today social study about map work. It is very important work for the classes 8, 9, 10 and junior level 2. If we'll talk about the SLC, SEE, we can say grid, map work comes for 7 marks. And maximum students, they lose to draw this map in examination. So, because of this map work, GPA sometimes comes down when they lose the map. For the students, those who try this, their GPA go high. It means there is more chances to receive A+. Also we can say randomly, this is out questions of SE examination. Even in school curriculum, class 9, 8, even 7 also taught this. And class 8, 9 and 10, each and every examination schedule in various schools, one map question is compulsorily asked. This is not so vast task also. It depends on practice. So we are discussing about this map work. It has also got, we need good practice. Without practice, this map work is not possible. To draw this map, 1 day, 2 days, 1 minute, 1 time, 2 times, this map work cannot be done. It needs practice, frequent practice. Sometimes some students, they do this practice before examination. That is not. Many students in this map work, they feel lazy to do. They don't like to do the work. Even there is long answer questions or map work, many students, they feel boring to do this. Oh, this is nothing, this is that, like this. But they don't think that because of this, 7 mark questions, they are missing. So I request all the students, all who are watching this work, that is very important work for you, and this is for 7 mark questions. You should not miss these questions at any cost. We can do it. We can do it. There is no doubt. But we need some practice here. Here in other work, just like in mathematical other work, there is some formula. Here it has no any exact. Then also, according to our textbook, social study, textbook, various books are there. In that book, like this, some practice schedule has made. So today, I'll teach you how to do this. Now, in examination, sometimes question can ask, draw a full page map of Nepal. Just like, for example, you can see here, draw the full page map of Nepal and insert the given items below. Maybe here Mount Kanchenjunga, here Lake Phewa, tea garden, Kodari highway, in this way, etc. This is example. This is example. Like these questions will ask in examination. Draw the full page map of Nepal and insert the given items below. Mount Kanchenjunga, Lake Phewa, tea garden and Kodari highway. For inserting in examination, this question can ask 3 plus 4 equal to 7. It means 3 marks for drawing and 4 marks for inserting. Any 4 items will given to you to insert in this map. After that, after drawing means first of all you have to draw this. Map can be drawn in freehand also, like this also and other way also. Just like here you can see, I am going to draw map here like this. This is one Nepal map. In this way also you can do roughly, and you can draw in this way also. Your wish. But in examination, if asked, draw outline map of Nepal, which is given in measurement, like here given, here is 20 centimeter long and 12 centimeter width, means breadth. Length will be 20 centimeter and width will be here 12 centimeter. In this condition, what to do? So here given that, now we can see, we have take one in examination paper, in SLC paper or exam paper, take out in the middle page, see in the middle page, or cover the middle page, and then after you can measure. First of all this, what? Either you can do this, there, both sides, and make it equal, rectangle shape. In this rectangle shape, you can make outside 4 equal parts, 4 parts, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and this is 6 cm. All together here, 4 and 6, 10, and this 10, 20 centimeter. What will be there? 4, 4, 4 means 12 centimeter. First point will be 4, second 6, and maybe also 6, and last also 4. And this all will be equal, 4 cm, 4 cm, and this 4 cm. See here, in this one, first of all, you have to target either of downside or of the upside. For this, you might have idea about the mountain ranges first of all, or Tarai ranges as a down. Anyone, what I said to you earlier only, it has no any kinds of particular ranges. You can do of your own. Start from here only or from here only, none. What type of idea you can gain from this? How it will be easy for you? You can draw this. Just for example, first of all, I have made here for the mountain side about the Saipal region. Suppose that this one is, you can see here, like this. You can see here, or you can make downside also. Like for the mountain side, here is given in this way. Here, this is Kanchenjunga region here, Kanchenjunga side. Now, here is given already. This one is here, tea garden side of eastern part. Here is Biratnagar side. Likewise here. Now if it come here for Janakpur side, in this way. Mountain is Dhaulagiri region. Here about Gauri Shankar part. You can see this. Similarly, the western part of Nepal is given here. We can make like this. In this way, you have to create your own idea here to draw this. Here, you should not forget to write here N, one part, north. Here also N, north. You can, by pencil, you can have correction also. Suppose you want to do correction here, then you can try in this way also. Correction you can do, but don't try with dot pen at first. Try with pencil. Try with pencil first of all. Then only it will be easy for you. Try first of all pencil. If you draw with pencil, it will be easy and you can do it very nicely. See here, many times you can do this. This one you can do many times. Repeat it. You can have recover on this. You can draw like this. You can have changing also if you want. Suppose you want to change this. See here, you can change. Suppose you want to change this. You can change in this way also. Your wish this is. How you can do this? How you can insert this? Then after you can try. This is free hand only. Any side, either of upside or fourth downside. Upside downside, any side you can try. Then after, again you can see here, start from where you want. Suppose this here. In this way. Start. See here. Became? Now you can see. You can see here. You can do this. You will practice, you can do. I am sure. Of course you can do. Why not? But you need practice for this. Without practice, this is not possible again. You have to do practice for this. See here. You can try. See this. Free hand or by this formula. Free hand or by formula. You can try this. After this, then you have to mention whatever is given here. For this point, to find out this, like this, this all sector 4 atoms are given here. See here, while after drawing this map, you have to insert those things by using some sign. These all are the sign, and more than this also there is. These are the measurement we have selected here. For which symbol what to use? It's up to you. For which symbol what to use? You can see here mountain ranges. Mountain ranges. How to show this mountain ranges? Here is given already. You can see. This is the mountain ranges symbol. Here, mountain ranges symbol. Next one given here, peak. High Himalaya ranges having 7,500 meter above. All symbols are equal. But if you want to show something like different, then you can decorate in this way also. Mountain ranges in this way, Peak above 7,500 meter, like this symbol having black dotting. Peak again below 7,500 meter. Here is given green one. Mountain range symbol is same. Passes like this symbol you can see. Likewise river, you can see here. River symbol in this way you can indicate. Lake symbol is this. Likewise town symbol also like this. Capital symbol in this way. Roadway in this way. Railway, this is the railway symbol. Ropeway means here is given ropeway, cable car. Similarly airport symbol is this. Likewise tree garden is given here. Highway line symbol. Highway gravel in this symbol. Similarly international boundary, here given dot 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 like this. This symbol is like this. In this way, in this way. In this symbol is this. Because it's shaded. National park, there is some trees are made here. In this tree one animal figure also it is made here, that is called elephant one, and this is greenery one. This is called national park. Like this various questions can ask you in examination, and in that one you have to use those symbols. If you will miss to use this symbol, then you are wrong. Some students, what happens? What do they? They pick up the map and they have random idea. They have random idea. Without seeing this all, without seeing atlas, without seeing this all factors, you cannot insert here. You can't do this. But if you do single mistake here, your mark will deduct it. So this is the outline map making here 3, and while inserting this, here is, suppose this, we have to insert direct Kanchenjunga. Of course, we must have idea where is Kanchenjunga, whether eastern region, middle or western, mid-western, which province nowadays, which province this is, province number 1, province number 2 or 4 or 7, where? That idea we have to connect. To see this, we must have to see the atlas. Atlas will support you. Atlas will support you. And there is separate given. Mountain ranges separate, river separate, highways separate, even the agriculture production region is separate, national park is separate, wildlife conservation is separate. They are separate given in atlas. That atlas study you must have to do. After studying this one, now common idea this is Mount Kanchenjunga. Of course, Kanchenjunga nowadays lies in province number 1, and province number 1 mountain range is this. You can see here. You can this also map. You can pick up, make here also. This is Kanchenjunga ranges. You can see here. You can make here. Kanchenjunga. Next one given here, Lake Phewa. Phewa Lake. We must have idea actually where is Phewa Lake. For that atlas is near you. Without atlas you can't do this. There is given list of lakes. Phewa Lake lies in Kaski district. Kaski district also headquarters that is called Pokhara. Today's province number 4. Heart of Pokhara. That is called, there lies Phewa Lake. And of course you know, nearly, suppose here is Kathmandu, here is Dharan, means Dhankutta, here is Kathmandu, means Pokhara can be here. This. You can have also see the idea and Phewa Lake, suppose here. In this way, you can insert this. Here is, you can indicate like this, Mount Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga. Other is Lake Pheva. Pheva Lake. Other given here, tea garden. Tea garden many places, but generally we can use here Ilam, Jhapa. So tea garden will be here. You can see. This is tea garden. Symbol. What is symbol mentioned here? Tea garden. This symbol. And that I have mentioned here. Mountain symbol I have mentioned this one. Here is here. Lake symbol. See here. Lake symbol is this. It has mentioned a lake symbol. Next one given here. Kodari Highway. Perhaps you have idea. Kodari Highway. This is also called Arniko Highway. Kodari Highway. This is also called Arniko Highway. And Kodari Highway links or Arniko Highway links from Kathmandu up to Tatopani. Kathmandu up to Tatopani. And in this Kathmandu up to Tatopani, you can see this. This is Kathmandu. Suppose this is Kathmandu here. This is, if it is Kathmandu, then Tatopani border will be like this. And this is our Kodari Highway. You can see here. This is our Kodari Highway. Now, you can see here. This is a highway here. So, first of all, map work. Then after 4 inserting. If we try in this way, in examination, then we must have to be sure ourselves that we shall get here full marks. No doubt. If your map work, if your inserting will be there. This we have mentioned here according to atlas. Maybe this is, maybe some up and down you can see. This is the handmade map and this can be little bit up and down. But accuracy is this. You can same thing you can adjust here also. This is example I have given you. Like this item other also can be there. Anyone can be there. Maybe other river, maybe river symbol also. Suppose they can ask, just for example, Kamala River. The Kamala River lies in Tara regions, which is also known as border of here 2 districts, Sira and Dhanusha. So here, this is, suppose, Sira and here is Kamala River. You can show in this way. This river is known here Kamala River. So in this way, anything, first of all, you must have idea from the atlas. Without atlas, you can't insert yourself on. Randomly cannot be given. Some student try. Suppose in this map, asking here, Kanchenjunga. But you know, those who have no idea, they can mention here Kanchenjunga. See here. Just opposite. This is wrong. So you must have idea about that. Where is this mountain ranges and where is this all? We can see this. Without seeing this, you first of all use this also. If you miss to use the symbol here, you cannot. Some students try in this way also. You can see here. You can see here. Suppose this is one map. outline map of Nepal. They try how to insert this. If they try right place also, they will put in this way. Sometimes they do dot in this way. This is, they are writing here Kanchenjunga in this way. Kanchenjunga. They are writing here Kodari highway. They are writing here river Kamala. They write here Phewa Lake. You know, only pointing here and writing here. It means if anyone will try in this way, of course, their all inserting will be wrong. Because they have not made here symbol of like this. Like this symbol we have to insert here. See here, Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest symbol is given. Kodari highway, like this symbol is given here. Then after river Kamla, like this symbol must be given here. Then after Phewa Lake, like this symbol must be given there. So you have to try without like this symbol, you never try this. And this comes for all class, 8 also, 9 also and 10 also. This is given about all from class 8, 9, 10. Class 8 students, class 9 students and class 10 students. You all are benefited by this. It's in every examination. This map question, one question is sure. And SE also, this question is already out. Here is given. In SLC, question number 19. In SEE, question number 19. SEE, question number 19, guaranteed. There is given, sure certain this question asks, up to now, till our syllabus, our grid had not been changed, then up to now, this question can ask in question number 19. One question given, or also in this, or. In or, they will ask about continental map. For class 10, North America, South America, Africa, their world map also asks North America, South America, Africa, world map and other also. But no, in other section also same. Class 10 for class 9, Australia, Europe, Asia, there, even and continent map too, even world map also, like this in here, class 10 also same. So, you must have to do this, but earlier this question used to given what you call the printed map, but nowadays this continental map also you have to draw yourself. In class, we try both, this also and this also. But many students, they try this also in examination and outline map of world continental also. So, that depends upon you, which one you have the more confident, you can try this. Either continental or this. So, here you can given that, this is the map work. You can see this all, this is the symbol here, this is the outline figure. In this way, if anyone can try, then that is wrong. If anyone can try in this way, that is correct. So, you have to complete this in this way. Thank you. For next classes, I shall teach you some other topic. Today was this much. Now, one homework for you. You should try this. One homework. Question will be same, but this item I am going to change here. You can see. This is your homework. You can copy this homework. Mount Dhaulagiri Lake घोड़ाघोड़ी jute production area and BP Koirala highway. Okay. Children, you should try this at home. Don't forget. First of all, you should see all the atlas, this all factor, all in atlas. Then you should try at home this. Try at home and fill up this. Do this. This is your homework. I'll take you after this. Thank you. Thank you very much.